Xinhua Live. I'm Zhiyi with Xinhua News Agency reporting from Norway. The China Arctic Yellow River Station, located in New Aalesund, Svalbard Island, is the first scientific research station established by China in the Arctic region, which was established in 2004. It is winter now, amid the long-term polar night. According to the scientists at the station, the polar night will last for over 100 days. What the researches are the scientists conducting here, and how important are they, and in what conditions do they live and work in the Arctic region? Today we come here to find it out. Now we have the honor to invite Dr. Li Ming to join us. He's the only one Chinese scientist stationed here at present. He will share with us his work and life at the Arctic region. Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Hello, everyone.
Yeah. Can you briefly introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm Li Bin. I'm now the overwinter member here in Yellow River Station.
Yeah. Can we go inside to introduce your working area, your research area in
Okay.
the space philosophy at
Yes,
the
welcome.
Arctic region? It's freezing cold.
Yes, welcome to Yellow River Station. Normally we leave our clothes here, so then we can keep the station very clean.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are the facilities to keep warm?
Yeah, we have a lot of very nice, very warm clothes.
Yeah.
Like what you wear, this kind of a boots, it's very nice, very warm. We also use this in the Antarctic. It's very good quality, and also the trousers you're wearing.
Yeah.
It's a very nice
Yeah.
red one, and also the jacket. We have two. This is waterproof, so it's very nice,
Yeah.
and but not very thick.
Yeah.
But this one is with a lot of like fur inside,
Mhm.
so it's very warm. So when it's very cold, we can wear this.
Yeah.
And also for this here, I think it's some metal layer.
Mhm.
So when you wear the clothes, it will generate a lot of a charge.
Yeah.
So with this metal layer, it can release the charge.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they can make us safe, and also for the equipment, this
Yeah.
is very important.
Yeah.
And also here, this is the reflect jacket. This is very important because here is very dark.
Yeah.
So the car should see you
When you're walking in the
yeah,
town, yeah.
yeah. So this is like a reflect. Also, these spikes. This is very important because it's freezing.
Protect you
Yes.
from slipping.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, that's very important. When it's with ice, now it's better
Yeah.
because it's a snow.
Mm.
When it's very slippery, only with ice, we use this to add it on the shoes.
Yeah.
That's it.
Can you show us your working area
Yeah.
and
Okay.
what are you doing research on?
Yeah, now my job is mainly for the Aurora observation.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here now it's dark in the winter, so it's normally we can do this optical observation. So this is one example. It's an all sky camera. It's now outside it's very windy and the snow. So now we can see this is the real time camera.
Yeah.
So this is now we can see now in the sky it's cloudy. And maybe you can see the weather. No, yeah. So for in other time when the sky is clear, I will use we have several this all sky camera, but with a filter, the filter for different wavelengths. And then we can use this to capture the aurora image in different wavelengths, like in the red, in the green, and in the blue. So this is a very the key point for the optical observation for the aurora.
So how many stations or how many equipments do you to charge to operate?
So far.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I can show you from my computer.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the like office. I'm
You
using.
usually work
Yes,
in.
from here. So now all the instrument is ready, so I don't really need to go to the field uh, to walk, but we can control it remotely. Like now, this is the remote like all sky image for the Aurora, but which
In
is
which place?
yeah, but which is in the KHO. You see here the KHO all sky camera in the wavelength of 557. Like which is the green light. It's about 100 kilometers from here in the capital here in Longyearbyen. Aurora is like distributed like in a certain like area with a very wide range, about 100,000 kilometers, like a belt. So here we are in like the north.
Yeah.
We can see the high boundary of this belt,
Oh,
and
yeah.
so Iceland is lower. So for Iceland, we can see the low latitude areas.
So, which color maybe we will see more?
From Aurora.
Yeah.
Yeah, Aurora the
Maybe
mainly yes, mainly in green. Green and red are the main two main colors if we see.
Yeah. Okay. Can you show us other?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe from here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, these are the photos from our summer team.
Yeah.
From different years. So you see, oh, we have more people from the summer.
Yeah.
But like in the winter, mainly one people. But we shifted in different year. Like this year's I come here. Yeah. Next year maybe some other people.
Yeah. This is the first year we just stay here in
Uh,
winter.
Not first time. For me, the second time.
Yeah. How long have you been in this place?
In this
Last.
Last time was about more than 100 days, about 3 months.
Yeah.
This time is better. It's maybe 2 months something.
What do you think is the most challenge to work here with the
Yeah.
polar night because no light?
Yes, exactly.
sunshine.
Exactly. The challenge is just the darkness,
Yes.
because this is really different from our daily life.
Yeah.
People need light to keep the life to in a right regular in a good time. But here we have no light really, and no change. That is the thing. Then it's not easy for you to know, from the light to know what should you do. It's not like you sleep in the night, you working in daytime. Here's in polar night, there's basically no light, no daytime. So you have to do everything originally in the daytime, but now shifted to the nighttime. You go to dinner, you go to lunch, go to breakfast in the night, in the darkness. You go to the gym in darkness. You go to play. You go to shopping. You go to walk. Everything in the darkness. This is some different experience for people.
Yeah.
So you have to use to it and get to, then it works well. But maybe people need a little bit practice to walk in this way.
Yeah. What are the potential dangers in this region?
Yeah, the potential dangers can be the polar bear because there's a lot of polar bear here, especially in the summertime. So when we leave the town, we have to take the rifle with us. That's very important.
And you mean that in winter that it is the perfect time to observe the aurora.
Yes.
Yeah. And also maybe in winter there was only one staff here.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if the equipment is doesn't work, what should you do?
Yeah. Normally, if it has something trouble, something wrong with the equipment, I would try to fix it. But
How?
yeah, but for the EV problem, no, normally just reset. That most of the time is work, and but if really something damaged, that will be a problem. Yeah, we have the this what's it called, kind of repair room or back uh, room we can
Room to
room
repair
for repair or a lot of tools for like this machine. I don't know how to call this, but if like during the summer or we need to fix something, we want to make a hole or we can modify something, we can use this. And also from here we have a lot of tools like a very regular tools and also from in this part we have a lot of radios. This is a very important for the station for the members because in the summer our member need to go to the field, go to the glacier, go to the some very far place. So people need to call each other to tell the information. So this is the radio we can use. So this is a very widely used for the safety. Yes.
But here it is the radio silence area. Yeah.
Yeah. This is radio silence, but for safety, we are still can use some this kind of a radio wave. But this is very strictly controlled, just in very certain wavelengths. So and for the radar station there, they know this frequency. So that is okay to use.
Yeah. Can we?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I want to know that if how many achievements have you achieved in the observation of aurora?
Yes, for the aurora, we have been studying and doing the observation here for more than 20 years. Then, yeah, we
Upstairs?
yes, we got some results. Just wait. Yeah, like here we we post some of our paper here. So it's mainly this is only the some of the results from here. So we get the publish. So like here it is some orientation variation of data and aurora arc alignment observed from all sky observation of Yellow River Station. Yeah, something like this. Also, this is the throat aurora. This is also very popular topic now. It's a kind of new discovery from here, from the Chinese scientists.
Yeah.
And also, for example, also like I mentioned, this dayside aurora. So we have some publication about this, the structure of the dayside aurora oval. Yeah. So like here, we are like in the dayside, we will be here. So now, and we notice there are also some highlights, like a very bright spot after the noon, like in this area. In this, so for the Earth is this area, but actually for us it's a different, a certain time, and we can see some, which we call some warm point or something, for the special aurora. Yeah. Also, a lot of other publications.
Yeah. We also see that there are many other people's from the scientists from other countries here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Do you talk with each other, or do you share with each other
Yes.
some opinions?
Yes, yes, because this is very important because in the winter time, like our station only have one people, but also some other people stations they also only one people, like Italian station, sometimes Japanese station, Indian station. They all only have very few people. So that's very important for us. So we can meet each other during the lunch, during the dinner. Then it's a very good time for us.
We see from the computer that the Aurora is not so beautiful, but from the
Okay.
camera it
Yeah.
is very beautiful.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, this is because for the like if we use the commercial digital camera, it's mainly to the purpose is to show you a beautiful photo. Yeah. So and for camera, it actually adjusts and also mix all the color together, and also with a very long exposure time, so that its camera can get enough light, and also for people can shoot it in different way, different angle to make your beautiful structure, a beautiful aurora photo. But for the scientific observation, which is different, we are not willing to have a really how beautiful it is, but we want to get a more accurate feature. So we call that data.
Yeah.
It's not a photo, it's a data. Data we collected from the all sky image and in a certain wavelength. So normally it looks very weak, and it's only since it's data you can show it in any colors, but it's only data. It's only 0 and 1. But this is very important for the sense because we for the data we recorded in a very high dynamic range from 0 to more than 60,000. So it can we can record it in a very low level, like around 0 to like 16,000 times higher than the lowest level. So this is a very high range. So this simply means that we can record a very low light, very weak aurora, and also very strong aurora. And we know already how strong it is, how many times stronger it is. So this is the scientific data. And from this data, we can really get the numbers. We know really how many it is. But from a digital camera, you just see the photo. You basically know any other information. You're not sure which angle you are shooting, which how long time maybe you know, but really how much photons, how much the color ratio, it will change. It's not that accurate for sense.
But what the status or the research and the observation of the aurora, what can the research be used on to apply to?
Yeah, the aurora mainly it's an image, right? It's an image of the aurora in the sky, what we got, and but it is also like a mirror or a screen for the space weather. The space weather is something around Earth, right? The out space, out Earth, what it looks like, what happened there, how much of the energy, how much particles is around there, how they are moving, and it is really dangerous. And if this time is a peace or more dynamic, it's hard to know. But from the aurora, it's like a screen. So any of these features, like particles, movings, and speed, everything, it will result or change the color or change the shape, change the intensity of aurora. So this is, aurora can be the final result. So this is important. So first need to get this result. We need to record it. Then the scientists came from the Aurora to go back to study really what happened there in the space. This is it's an ongoing process.
So this period, we are always collecting or accumulate the data from this observation. Yeah.
Yes, yeah, yeah. So now we like doing the basic. We not really need to doing the research above it because this is open. The data can use for all the people for the from China, from all other countries in the world. So this is like your farming, right? You getting the result first, then to publish it, no, you modify it, make it a very standard, then publish it to the world. Then this can be used for the scientists to do their own study.
Yeah. Except the observation of the aurora, any other researchers are doing here, including the Yellow River Station and also the stations from the other countries.
Yeah, from other countries, as far as I know, yeah, especially like in the winter. Mainly, a lot of stations are doing for the snow study because it's there are very often we have very heavy snow from here. So like Italian station, the AVPAV, the Germany French station, they're all doing this snow sampling, and also the air study, like for some particles or pollutions in the air. And so they do this atmospheric study, and also I think in the winter for other study are difficult because
But
it's
in
hard.
summer,
In the summer, there are a lot. In summer, like over here, it's not stark, but in the summer, we can see a lot of glaciers.
yeah.
There's a very good place. So also with with Chinese team and other teams, the people will go to different glaciers to do the measurement. Yeah. Also, I think biology, to getting some samples from the ocean, from the field here, also from the grassland, as far as I know. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, there are
Really?
plenty of different different subjects.
Yeah.
Mm.
I think it is really difficult but really interesting,
Interesting.
and really useful for
Exactly,
our
exactly,
future.
exactly. And this is the it. It is a special place. It is a very special place on the earth because here is very remote from almost everywhere. Yes, people from here you can really close to the nature, and also this is a very extreme place on earth because it's so far, so high, so bright in the summer, so dark in the winter. So this make this place become very special. So this also made it possible to for the people, for the scientists to know about the really the climate changed, how it's really changed, and for like for space physics, it is like the window to the space. From here, we can really by monitoring the aurora, we can know the space. We can know what really the solar wind come and how it's worked with the magnetosphere. Yeah, it's very interesting. Yeah, place.
Yeah.
Mm.
What about the observation equipment or
Yeah.
devices upstairs?
Yeah, yeah, we can go and check.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is where our devices are.
Yes, this is the all-sky camera here we use in our station. We use the equipment here to observe the aurora in the single wavelength. So in each we can see from here we have like five this small cabin. So in each cabin we have one camera in one single wavelength. So for aurora, we use mainly three different wavelengths. So we use three of them, and the other one use for other observations. So we can,
How can how do they protect the wavelengths?
yeah, that's very important
Yeah.
because Aurora is a very weak light, so we have to protect other light to go into the camera. So, but today it's fine because it's cloudy. The our device didn't open, so we can come here to have a check. Otherwise, we don't allow people to come here. Yeah. Mm,
Okay.
mm.
Okay, thank you. The establishment of the Yellow River Station has created a permanent observation and research platform for China in the Arctic region, which facilitates the researches on many topics, such as the interaction between the Sun and the Earth, the changes of the Arctic climate and environment, and its relationship with the global climate change. Next year will mark the 20th anniversary of the establishment of the Yellow River Station. We believe that with the joint efforts of the Chinese scientists, researches will be even more fruitful in the future. Now, we are about to wrap up today's Xinhua Live. Thank you for watching. See you